Let's talk on how to make profits with automated bots, guys. And if you want to join free classes, link is in bio. Make sure you join. So on today's profit capital, we will start with 1,412 as our capital. And remember, this is for educational purposes. So you might learn on how to make profits with automated bots. So first and foremost, you'll need to have also RunQuilly. This is where you get your free automated trading bots, and you'll just come fund your account so that you can access your trading bots. After that, come click on trading bots, and as you can see, mine are open. Depending on your capital, that's what will unlock your bots. So I'll come choose my bot, and you can see they are very profitable right now, and so many people are using them. So the goodness is you can set your take profit and your stop loss so that you don't trade with a lot of worry. So I'll enter the minimum amount just for tutorial to show you guys. You can set the stop loss and the take profit, but for me, I'm not worried, and I'm just here. I don't have any work to do, so I'll just run my trading bot. So I'll come and check my live trade. You can see the entry point is 94,457. I think it's trading BTC. And the first log, let's see if it has formed. You can see the trading volume P&L is 00. So the bot has given us a loss, and we don't worry because the recovery is amazing. As I told you guys, you don't have to worry about nothing. So let's wait for another one to form, then we check. You can see the recovery 3. So I was just thinking, if you have 50 USDTs and you can make around $5 or $10 with the bot, or you can make double, then you're good to go. You don't have to strain with the market. Just use automated bots. So let me wait for it to form like a 10. Then we check where we are. The bot will run for around. Let me check. Let me refresh and check the time that the bot will run. Around 1 hour 38 minutes. So it's quite a long time. So it will scalp a lot, I guess. I'm running on a loss. The P&L is negative 0.5, and you can stop the bot at any given moment. So let me open it. We check the logs. We check the live chat and the logs. Almost 10. We are there. 1.18. And the other thing I wanted to say, make sure the bot runs until it stops itself. So that's our 50 USDTs trade. I'll be out for now. For those who follow me, I'll share what we will have made at the end of the trade in Telegram. So make sure you follow me. I said I offer free classes, so don't miss out.